Well, went out the other day, had to buy me a car. Didn't have much money, knew it wouldn't go far. Decided all I needed was something would run. Got me a real fine deal on a real Guam Bomb. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, you will know it's me when I come into town. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, I just gotta send a picture to my mom. Well, it didn't look like much, it was kind of a wreck, but the tires went around, so I figured what the heck. Really didn't matter if it had much flair, just to get me back and forth to the London Square. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, you will know it's me when I come into town. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, I just gotta send a picture to my mom. Well, the bumper's kinda crumpled, still hangs on. You can't tell the color 'cause the paint's all gone. The windshield's got a crack and the muffler's falling down, but I got it wired up, it don't drag on the ground. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, you will know it's me when I come into town. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, I just gotta send a picture to my mom. Well, the clutch is kinda tricky, got a pump in the brakes. Got Armstrong steering and the turn signal shakes. It rattles and it shimmies and it pulls to the right, but both the headlights work if you put them on bright. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, you will know it's me when I come into town. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, I just gotta send a picture to my mom. Well, now a lot of people ask me about my Guam Bomb. They want to know how I got my safety sticker on. I tell them on Guam it ain't so hard to do if you got some friends, and I got a few. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, you will know it's me when I come into town. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, I just gotta send a picture to my mom. See, I know this guy who's got this friend whose auntie's married to this guy named Ben. Well, Ben's got a cousin that works downtown, and a $10 bill got my safety sticker on. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, you will know it's me when I come into town. Got me a Guam Bomb, got me a Guam Bomb. Well, I just gotta send a picture to my mom. Well, I just gotta send a picture to my mom. Yeah, I just gotta